I bet your school doesn't have these cool murals.
Yeah.
I bet your school doesn't have a metals class.
I bet your school doesn't have a sensory garden. I bet your school doesn't have a stone mural from 1858. I bet your school doesn't have Bob Ross.
I bet your school doesn't have a famous lunch lady. Oh.
I bet your school doesn't have a Mr. Seagaloff.